The finance job is getting bigger every quarter, but the day isn't getting any longer. Every week there's a new tool, a new LinkedIn post about someone who automated their entire close, a new AI conversation happening around you. If you're the finance pro trying to keep up without giving up your evenings, your weekends, or the life you have outside work, this show is built for you. This is Excel at AI in Finance. I'm Mike, I run F9 Finance, and I'm a senior finance leader working in the trenches. Every week, I share one thing you can take into your finance job right away. A workflow you can rebuild on Monday. A frame for handling AI when your CFO asks. An honest read on the trends everyone's talking about. A conversation with someone who's already done the thing. Every episode opens with a real story from my desk or a finance pro I've worked with, not a hypothetical. Then I break down what actually works, and I close with an honest counterpoint, because the AI advice you're hearing everywhere else has almost never touched a real finance function. My rule is simple. If a workflow only ships in a vendor demo, it doesn't ship on the show. Because the finance pros who learn AI don't just keep their jobs. They become the ones their companies can't afford to lose. New episodes every Tuesday. Subscribe wherever you listen. This is Mike signing off from F9 Finance. Cheers.